regarding the elections are concerned, we have got sufficient number of paramilitary forces. 55 companies government of India is providing. About 20 companies have already arrived. Area domination in each constituency is going on, and more so that Goa police has already identified its history seaters, new history seaters, and surveillance over them is maintained. As far as extortion cases are there, Goa police has renewed its extortion cases, and new persons, new goons have also been added. 5 cases have been sent under NSA also, National Security Act, and these cases are rigorously being followed with the concerned authorities. Overall, illegal activities which were happening in coastal areas especially, that have been closed down, strictly being monitored. Entire mischief mongers, goons, everything is under well control. Situation is very much peaceful, and I will request to the people to participate in the voting process without fear. And that's all from the Goa police side. It is best wishes to all of the people. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.